Okay, so we have done quite some progress. The tank, side panel, seat, everything is fitted, wiring is done. Bike is running also. We checked when the bike was running. Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today is 6th June and we are starting the build. We got a little bit late because it was raining in Goa, this, that. We are here now. The time is 11:45, around 11:45. So without further ado, I'll start working on the project because today we have very little time to work on it. And so yeah, that's the plan. Let's get to work. So the plan is Shubh is going to fit the front fender. I'm going to focus on fitting these controls, the throttle, this side's controls, doing the accelerator cable work, finishing all this wiring, putting the air filter box, and yeah, spark plug relay and all is there now. So yeah, not much work has been left. It's not like a lot of work has been left, it's just that there are small things, and those small things are taking a lot of time. Okay, so I didn't speak for a lot of time because I was focusing on the build because I had very less time and there was still quite some complicated stuff to be done. So now the progress is the accelerators, the controllers, front brake, chicks. So the front brake, the clutch controllers, all the wiring, and all the wiring is done. I fitted the side panel also. The paint looks too good, man. Look at the paint. Damn. So the side panel I fitted the refurbished air filter box. Now all the wiring used to be over here, but that I have relocated over here somehow and made everything fit in this space. So yeah, quite some work has been done. All the mechanicals are done. And yeah, now we'll fit the side panels, try to fit the seat, tank and stuff, try to start the bike. That's the game plan. Okay, so that is it. Only that much content I'll be showing you in this build videos to find out how the final project has come out and how it is looking finally. Stay tuned to the next video. Ciao.